We are at an important point in our church history.
Important.
We want to be united.
United in our action and mission, in our final proclamation of the three angels' messages.
Jesus is coming soon.
And we need you.
You to listen to this important message.
Vital message. We are a family.
A big family.
A worldwide family.
We span 213 countries,
13 divisions,
Über 1000 Sprachen.
and countless cultures.
And colors.
But one thing that doesn't change.
No matter where you go in the world is our commitment and dedication.
Commitment and dedication to the message and mission.
The message and mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.
It's what makes us a family.
But as a family, sometimes we have to make decisions.
Hard decisions.
Decisions that we may not all see the same way.
And that can make things hard.
Really hard.
For decades, we as a church,
As a worldwide family.
Have been discussing a difficult issue.
an issue many feel strongly about.
The issue of whether or not to ordain women to the gospel ministry.
As a worldwide family, we decided
at the 1990 General Conference session that in view of a widespread lack of support
and for the sake of unity.
For the sake of unity across our big family.
We would not ordain women to pastoral ministry.
2 more times.
Our family also decided to not
allow individual divisions to decide on the issue for themselves.
And in 2015, the vote was preceded by years
Years of prayer and study of the Bible and the spirit of prophecy.
every delegate was encouraged to study the issue for themselves.
and vote based on their own prayerful study from the Bible.
And the writings of Ellen G. White.
They were to review the reports of the study commissions and carefully consider what is best.
is best for the church and the fulfillment of our mission.
our God-given mission.
And once again, our global family.
Decided to
not allow individual divisions to decide for themselves. But some of us have had a hard time accepting that decision.
Accepting the decision made at the highest level we have, the General Conference in session.
Some have decided to go in a different direction from what the world family
decided.
This has challenged our principle of staying together.
Staying together.
Staying together as a church family.
Even when we disagree.
And that brings us to today.
Today, in 2018,
Our family had to make another really hard decision.
What do we do when some of our family members decide to do the opposite?
the opposite of what we as a family decided to do.
So, it was back to more prayer.
More prayer.
More prayer.
And dialogue.
We finally decided to create and implement a system of understanding.
Dialogue.
And eventually consequences to bring all our family members back into harmony.
Back into harmony.
With our collective decision. It's not about control.
Politics.
Or power.
It's not about forcing conscience.
It's about respecting the decisions that we made together.
Together.
And following the will of God in pursuing church organization.
Organization and unity.
Unity.
It's all about mission and working effectively to hasten the second coming.
The second coming of Christ.
And even though some of us may be disappointed
by our family's decisions.
for the sake of unity.
Of unity.
Let's press together.
Press together.
Press together and support the decisions that our worldwide family made.
Let's trust.
Trust the decisions of the General Conference in session.
In session.
In session.
Let's build up the unity of the church.
The unity of our church.
Let's stay together as a family.
A family that has as its foundation the Word of God.
Let's focus on our God-given message and mission.
Message and mission.
Message and mission. So we want to appeal to you.
To you.
To you.
To support the decisions that we
as a church family made.
Let's not break our family apart into congregationalism.
You can help fulfill Christ's prayer for unity in His church.
Be a voice of unity.
Unity and brotherly love.
Pray.
Pray for our leaders.
And be informed.
Be informed about the facts.
The facts of the document voted at annual council.
And share.
Share this message.
We support our church.
We support.
Support our
Our church.
Won't you?